Okay guys, so now let's take your student book and let's go to page 69. Page 69. And now we are going to talk about grammar connections, used to and be used to. Very important for you to understand. Let me write down here. They look similar, but we use them differently, okay? Used to, and the other one is be used to. Okay? Let's talk about used to. So in the orange box here, what you see is that we use used to plus the base form of a verb for past situations that are not true now. Okay? So for example, so I want to say something like this. This is Daniel, okay? Look what I'm gonna use. Used to. Now is the base verb. What it means by base verb is the infinitive form, okay? I used to exercise. And I'm talking, this is past, okay? Twice a week. This is past. But now I am very busy with work. See? So you're gonna use this one, used to plus the base verb, when you need to talk, when you have to talk about something that was true in the past, but now is no more. Okay? So this is important. How about this one here? This one is a little bit different. Look what it says here in the green box, page 69. Be used to plus gerund or noun for things a person is accustomed to. Okay, things that you are still doing. Things that you are still used to doing it. So you're going to use a gerund. What is a gerund? Remember? ing or a noun. For example, look. Now I want you to pay attention. This is for things that you are used to. For example, look. Daniel, verb to be, look, is used to, now, gerund, teaching. To teaching English. Let's put this, okay, just to make it faster. Every day. This is true. Okay? I'm accustomed to. I'm used to doing it every day. So Daniel is used to teaching English every day. Okay? Daniel is used to teach. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but this is better. Okay? So now let me give you another example. We are, let me just put a different color. We, look here, are, look the difference. This one you use verb to be, this one you don't use. We are used to what? I can use a noun too. For example, we are used to Korean food. The noun is this, but you can come to with an adjective too. That's fine. Okay? So you have to pay attention. And you have to remember the difference is this verb to be here. Okay? And this is for things that were true in the past, but now not anymore. This is for things that are still you're accustomed to. Okay? Any questions? Don't forget to send me your questions, okay? But now I want us to practice, so let's do some exercises.
Okay, so now we are going to go to our workbook and practice a little bit. So as you know, remember that you use to plus the base form for past situations that are not true, and you use be used to plus gerund or a noun for when a for things a person is accustomed to. Okay, so now let's go to our book, our workbook to practice. Okay, let me see here. We are going to our workbook, page 65. Okay, I'm gonna go to our page 65, and we're gonna and exercise 2. So we are in our workbook, page 65. Okay, let's complete the sentences with affirmative or negative forms of used to and be used to. Remembering used to is for things that you did in the past, but you don't do it anymore. And be used to for things that you are accustomed to, okay? That you keep doing it or you keep not doing it, okay? Um, let's follow this first example here. Look, Elena used to go to Puerto Rico for her vacation every year, meaning she went in the past, but now she doesn't go anymore. For the last 2 years, she's gone to Alaska. See, she went to Puerto Rico in the past, but now she doesn't go anymore. Now she goes to Alaska. That's why it's used to plus the base verb or infinitive. Um, she says uh, for the last 2 years she's gone to Alaska, but she doesn't like it. She says, I'm not used to traveling in such a cold place. I prefer the warm weather. Okay, uh, be used to plus gerund. Why? Because she's not accustomed to. So now is the time for you to pause the video if you'd like. You can pause the video and try to do it on your own. If not, just do it along with me or follow or do the correction later, okay? But now let's go here and do it together. So number 2, I like getting up early, but now I get up at 5 a.m. and actually enjoy the morning. Okay, so you use used to for things that you did in the past, but you don't do it anymore. And be used to plus gerund for things or actions that you're accustomed to. So this one here, the correct form is used to. But because this is negative, the right way of doing it is didn't use to. Like, I didn't use to like getting up in the morning, but now I I am used to Jaren getting up at 5 a.m. and I actually enjoy the morning. Okay, how was it? Kind of complicated, right? But you get used to it. Don't worry. Okay, so now let's go to sentence number 3. Now, Ariana speak in public, but it make her very nervous. Now, Ariana, now. So because this is something that she's accustomed to, the right answer is Ariana. What? What do you think is the correct answer? Ariana is very good. She is used to speaking, right? She's used to speaking in public, but it, because now this is something in the past, it's not true today. It used to make, it used to make her very nervous. Okay, it used to make her very nervous. So as you practice, you will get this. Okay, I know it's kind of complicated, but you will get used to it. Let's keep practicing. Number 4, when Marta first moved to her own apartment, this is something in the past, not true anymore. She used to get very lonely. Now, this is something that she's accustomed now. So now very to be, she is used to plus gerund. She used to living alone. In fact, she likes it. Okay, how's it been? Good. Let's go to number 5. We, a car. We didn't need one. Now we have one, but we, it. So what was true in the past, but it's not anymore? Used to, but now it's negative. So you have to pay attention to this, okay? We didn't used to own a car, okay? We didn't need one. Now we have one, but now this is something that we are accustomed to, aren't used to driving it, okay? But we aren't used to driving it, okay? I know it's complicated, it's confusing, but the more you practice, you will get it. Trust me, okay? Let's go to number 6. When Alex lived at home, his mother, this is something that she did in the past, but not true today. So it's used to plus the base verb. His mother used to clean his room for him. Now he has his own house and it's a mess. This is something that he's not accustomed to. So he isn't, let's abbreviate, he isn't used to doing his own cleaning. He isn't used to doing his own cleaning. Okay? How was it? I know it's a kind of complicated, but you will get it, okay? Trust me. Now let's move to the next exercise. We are going to exercise 3 and 4. Let's take a look. I know they are exercises that they change a little bit. Exercises 3. I know the answers vary, but this is something I want you to do, okay? I'm gonna answer it just for you to have an idea, okay? I'm gonna talk about myself, okay? So let's answer here. Exercise 3. Write true sentences about yourself. Use the affirmative or negative to be used to. So to be used to, okay? You stay up late. I'm used to staying up late, or I'm not used to staying up late. So number 2, get up early every day. So in my case, this is something true, so I use the affirmative. I'm used to getting up early every day. Okay, I'm used to. I don't like, but I'm used to. That's the difference. I'm used to getting up early every day. But teacher, if this is not true for me, so you just do the negative of the verb to be here. I'm not used to, and that will be the same. Okay, good. Let's go to number 3. Speak English all the time. So for me, in my case, I'm used to. I'm used to, and now you change to gerund, verb plus ing. I'm used to speaking English all the time. Okay, so that will be that's the correction for today. I hope you enjoyed our class. I hope you keep practicing. Don't forget to do your homework, your workbook, and reach out to me with any questions. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you soon. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.